Welcome, Suresh. Your travel preferences in Tokyo include spicy dishes, instrumental, and interests like beach walks, temples, night markets. While Tokyo has a wide range of international hotels, there aren't hotels specifically branded as Indian hotels. However, there are hotels that cater to Indian travelers by offering vegetarian dining options and understanding cultural preferences. Here are two hotels in Tokyo that are known for being accommodating to Indian guests, often through their services and dining options. 1. The Prince Park Tower. Tokyo located near Tokyo Tower, this hotel offers luxurious accommodations and is known for its attentive service. They can arrange for special dietary requirements, including vegetarian and Indian meals upon request. 2. Hotel, New Otani, Tokyo. Situated in Chiyoda, this hotel is renowned for its beautiful Japanese garden and excellent service. It offers a range of dining options, and the staff can help accommodate specific dietary needs, including vegetarian and Indian cuisine options if notified in advance. When booking, it's a good idea to contact the hotel directly to inform them of any specific needs you might have, such as dietary requirements. This ensures a comfortable stay and allows the hotel to make any necessary arrangements.